As Russia places large amounts of anti-tank mines on the front line, they often end up with too many in some sections, causing the soldiers to stack them in piles often poorly hidden. But as Ukraine's drone army spots these, they get to take them out in a large explosion. But sometimes the job lands on another part of Ukraine's army, as this time the artillery were within range, being able to shoot at the pile, as the first round hit just short, the second hits just a little too far. But as the third time's the charm, the round hits perfectly, causing a visible shockwave to be created as all of the mines detonate at once, taking out more of Russia's resources, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.